Hello darlings, continuing our journey in Montanejos. We are just at the tip of the River Milar, and this basically goes down to a huge dam where there's a geyser that flows water. We're trying to find the way down to it. So yet again, I need you to take a breath and I need you to think about what is worrying you. What is on your mind, worrying you, nagging at you. And I want you to ask the power of Archangel Ariel, because we're in the middle of these stunning mountains provided by Mother Gaia. And I want you to think it, have it in your mind what you're worried about. And now I want you to say, Ariel, please take these worries and fears from me now as I look at these images of what you and Mother Gaia provided. Listen to the water flowing below. This water is going to carry your worries away. I'm going to leave you in silence. Embrace this imagery that you're going to see now and ask for your worries, your thoughts, your doubts to be taken from you. And so it is done. Favourite this video, keep it available. Whenever you have worries, thoughts, concerns, allow the cavernous echoes and the strong flowing water to take you to a place of serenity, tranquility, and the end of your mind babble. Okay darlings, I may do a separate video for that last one, the Archangel Ariel connection with this stunning canyon in Montanejos that we're now going to try and find, aren't we Darren? We're now going to try and find the entrance to the dam, and if we're able enough to get there. If not, it's not going to be a goer, is it? We'll see if there's like appropriate access. So look at this, darlings. In a way, I think we're blessed with the fact that the villa's pants, because we don't want to be there. I don't like the energy there. There's work's being done now again. This is like the 6th week of them having to do stuff. It's just not acceptable. So we've escaped. I needed to just get my mind right and just to get my energy up as we've been so poorly. And this is a place to be. So let's go and have a look and see if we can find the geyser and the dam. Oh, I can see a bit of the river there. However, I'm hoping that we don't have to go that. We have to go that low down for the dam, will we, Bubba? Look at that. Fantastic. Right, let's go see, my little darlings. Let's explore together. I never forget you. We've got another element entered into this because we are at the top of the dam. We don't have to do any walking at all, which is absolutely superb. This is a reservoir for the Rio Mias, which is the name of the river. Or to us English folk, River Milas. It's going to refilm this just in case you can't hear a fing because of the wind. Obviously we're on the top of a pinnacle here, right up the top of the mountains. And obviously that's the reservoir of the Rio Mias, which is Milas in English, if you like. So right at the top of the road, you're not allowed to go across there. And then obviously you can see the huge rocky dam. I'm so excited because you can see all the salt, the minerals, all of that is going to be threading its way down through a waterfall that we're going to go to, and then the thermal springs. What an incredible place for reflection, meditation and bathing your physical body, letting your emotions just float away. I cannot wait to show you it. So that is the El Chorro Reservoir, or the El Chorro Dam. Let's have a look and see what we can discover. Oh my God, look at this.
Oh, hang on, look.
What?
Look in the mountain though. It's
what?
Through.
Oh, you do know what that is, don't you?
What is it?
Darren, as if you don't know. As if you don't know, it's obviously from Indiana Jones. Crystal Skull. Do you know where all the water, is it the Crystal Skull? No. No, what's the one where all the water spurts out of the side of the cliff and they have to avoid it and stand on the ledges? That is an Indiana Jones hole. Oh my God, just leave me here forever. Leave me here forever, please.
Okay.
This is just, we should do a spiritual retreat here, you know. Would you want to come on a spiritual retreat here? In a local mountain hotel? How are you going to get here though? How are we going to arrange it? But I could do so many good, I could do some good stuff here with you. Thermal springs, we could do cleansing, healing in there. Oh, just the walking, tree hugging. Oh, that's the other thing we've done. We've got the crystals that we've bought for you for the raffles and for sale in 5th Dimension, and we're going to place them here. We'll show you in a minute. We'll show you the water thing. I'm not going to be able to, I can't do the phone though, it's going to get saturated. So just like walk with us, discover with us. Right, get yourself prepared guys. If you're watching this now, press pause, get yourself in a quiet space please. If you have on you a selenite, rose quartz, celestite, turquoise, that's a good water power. Have them in your lap, in your heart chakra, hold them in your hands. Oh my goodness, look at the power of this. Yeah, it's gonna wreck the phone, love. We'll have to do the crystals and just get wet ourselves. Oh, yeah, we're gonna get soaked down there. We'll have to do the crystals. Look, there's a bridge down there. Look at that. I have never seen anything like that in my life. There's even a little hut built in the back. Look at the prisms of light. Look at the prisms of light. Absolute bliss. Blissful. Oh my good God. Wow. So pleased we just went off grid on a hunch and decided to come spectacular. Listen to that power. Remember, I've done all of these videos and all of these meditations and all of these podcasts telling you you've got part of the universe within you. You've got part of this within you as well. Look at that, look at that rainbow. Magnificent. Okay, darlings. Just listen to my voice. Get yourself comfortable. Hold your crystal. If you haven't got one, it really doesn't matter. You can either watch the video or close your eyes. Do whatever you feel you want to do. First of all, I want you to listen to the power of the water. That sheer power creates a prism of light. Power creates light. Power creates vibrancy. Power in your own self-belief, power in everything you do, confidence. Some people misconstrue the word power. Be power. Are you ready? Listen to my words and just let them flow through you. Archangel Ariel, thank you for listening to me whilst we absorb the power of the mountains. Please now ask you to come near to us all who watch and absorb the power of the water that you have created with the Seraphim and Mother Gaia. I please ask that the strength of the water rushes through our energy, cleansing us of any of our worries, fears and doubt that we let go of earlier on. Allow us to feel the vibrancy of this water flowing through us all. Allow us to have no fear. Allow us to have strength to go on, to continue, to start anew. Please cleanse us, flush us of all of our ego-based fears and thoughts. Allow us to feel free and empowered. Embolden yourself with the sound of this water. Absorb prisms of light, which is exactly what your soul looks like. Know that a part of this water runs throughout you, forever wanting to cleanse away the old energy, the old habits. Ariel is here to help you do that. She's here to help you clear grief, sorrow, pain, struggle. At this point, I would like you to close your eyes. I would like you to just listen to the powerful flow of this amazing spectacle. And imagine everything that you no longer need in your soul, no matter what it is, relationship, situation, feelings, thoughts. Allow them to come in and visualize them flowing away with the biggest current, the biggest power of all that Mother Nature can provide through water. Imagine them being flushed, eradicated from your system now. finished your visualizations, my darlings, allow the prism of light created with the fantastic light of the sun, power of the water, the wind driving the sparkles of water through to create that prism, the power, the purity of nature. Allow yourself now to open your eyes. I just want you to move your hands, move your feet, just acknowledge that you're back in the room. And I just want you in your mind's eye to imagine you switching a huge light. Just see it in your mind. Even if you can't, it doesn't matter, I'm doing it for you. There's a big switch, power to on. I want you to push it to off. Archangel Ariel, I thank you for allowing me to have this energy surge through me. Thank you for allowing your frequency to come and blend with me to help me in this time where I need your assistance and help. I please ask that you stay with me for anything for my base chakra if I need to clear things in my everyday life. But for now, please ground me to this earth and allow me to get on with my day, feeling restful and tranquil and so much benefit from the beauty that I've just shared with you. Thank you for being with me, Ariel. I leave my heart and soul with the divine. And that's it, my darlings. You can by all means, pause it whenever you want, do whatever you want. I've got to have me in it, haven't I? Just for a little memory of me being here. Ooh, the water is surging through my third eye. You're right, darling. Bliss, I've come up with the word, I've come up with the name Bliss for the retreats because this is absolute bliss. I want to bring people to their own bliss. I want to bring you to nature and I want you to bring you to bliss. So there you have it, my darlings. That's from, yeah, because hang on a minute, let's do those photos that everybody does. It does look like shards of selenite. I've actually done a close-up and I'm going to do a meditation video, completely silent with just water power for everybody on YouTube. So I just want to, I think my phone's going to get mullered if I film crystals, but let's just try it, Darren. Baba, come on. Unless you really have, you know, put like nature or spiritual places in Spain, you're never gonna know about these places. Look, it's coming out of that tiny little aperture there. Can you imagine? I'm gonna get applied for a job in that office. Right, okay, let's give it a go. Hang on a minute, let's give it a go. Look at that beauty. Down on the, just watch what, just guide me where I'm going, darling. Look, I'm risking my life for you, beautiful tribe. To be quite honest, it is a smooth, like, road really, straight into here. So it's really easy access. Whiz down on a scooter. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God, is this phone gonna, will it hit the phone, love? Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna go down to, oh, oh. No, I think we're gonna have to come back on that. Jesus, that's like walking up to Niagara Falls. You need like a swimming costume on for that, we're soaked. We did try for you. I think we'll put the crystals in the thermal springs. Should we put the crystals in the thermal springs? I've done a couple up on the bridge, but we'll do the rest in the thermal springs. God, look at this. Shut the front door. I don't know if you can see the colour of that. Oh, my battery's going already. Have you got your phone with you?
No, I haven't, no.
Oh! Oh, come on. This is exquisite. I can't wait to get in. The thermal springs. Fuente de los Baños. This is called. Oh, Darren. Okay, let's do it. Look, is it? They've even got they've got toilets here, and of course they've got a holy place. Darren, they've got a holy place for the well. It looks like for the waterfall. Let's go and have a look. This thermal spring has thousands of different minerals, salts, magnesium, and it was proclaimed that an old king created this little lake, dug it out from the main river so that he could keep his harem healthy. It's supposed to rejuvenate all your health. It's a nice, at the moment it's 20 degrees. The thermal springs are around 20 degrees. I assume they'll get warmer during the year. But this is where it ends because I haven't got a waterproof cover. Have I, Bubba? You can't wait to get in. So yeah, so we're gonna give it a go. It's quite stony here, so it says no chairs, but there's no way we can get on the floor, so we've brought our chairs. Lightweight chairs, and then it's a bit stony, so if you're going to come down here, make sure you bring a couple of towels if you can't. They say no lilos. Look, it's bought a bleeding boat, which is a bit naughty, so we're not worried about having our chairs. You're not supposed to bring them. Nor CS, it says when you come down. So anyway, should we get in?
Yes.
Let's get the crystals done in a minute, yeah? I want to go up to, look, that there. Apparently there's a waterfall around the corner, so we need to go and find that. So we'll see in a bit. Run out of battery, so we couldn't show you all your crystals going in the little lake. Everybody thought we was nutters, didn't they? Like, what are they doing? And then these little kids ended up throwing stones in. It's like, no, and that's not what we're doing, you little shizers. Anyway, sorry about that. You missed our little ceremony, but I'm now stuck on the end of a lead in our little van. That's what we call our van. I'm just stuck in on his lead now because I've got like 9%. And we'll be driving for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So anyway, that was the beautiful, beautiful Montanejos area of Valencia. We're now going to go and try and look at the waterfall. Weirdest thing is though, it's not on Google, it's not anywhere. We're going by reviews and trying to get a guess where it is from there. Really weird. So if we find it, we do, and if we don't, we don't. It's what it is, as I say. Speak to you soon. Hello darlings, we are now at Paraje Salto de la Novia, which is an amazing waterfall, which is called by the local tour operators Bridal Veil Falls. So we've been trying to find it forever and ever, amen, and through detective work and reviews we've worked out where it is. So now we've got here really late. There's your natural well. It's absolutely sublime, this place. It's just glorious. So I've just personally done my own mindfulness walk just from down there. We've pretended that we didn't understand the signs. We've driven right the way down here, so you don't have to walk too far. It's just absolutely delicious. Oh wow, here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record it and also do a silent one and put it up as a waterfall meditation for you without any talking at all. What a shame, because the sun's gone out of the valley now, so we could have gone for a little swim. I'll take you with me on this little walk. It's a couple of metres and we're there. Hang on a minute. that's the top part. Apparently, at the moment, because they haven't had a lot of rain, it's quite sparse. It's quite a lot of rocks. Oh, we were so good in this earlier on, I'm telling you now, without a doubt. Right, hopefully they'll disappear in a minute and I can do a silent waterfall. Oh, can we get down there, Bubba? Look, it's a little slope. This is incredible. The sat-nav took us the wrong way when we finally found out. We were up there and I used to abseil rock climb all the time. I was up there going, oh my God, Darren, no, just hold on to me while I check, because we could hear it. We couldn't see it, could we, Barbara? Then we realised we're standing on top of it. We were up there. And there's a sheer drop. That's it. And you know when your legs kind of go a bit funny and you think, oh my God, I'm going to fall off. And you're not going to, but your body just does freaky things, doesn't it? Barbara, I can't do that. I'm going to go down that little slope for like old farts. Oh my God, oh, I'm gutted we couldn't find it until now because the sun's gone out of the valley. I bet you this is absolutely sublime. I bet you this is really like turquoise when the sun's on it. Again, very high in magnesium. So I may get my ankles and feet in here and ground myself again. Look at that, absolutely magnificent. So Darren's exactly opposite. Oh, pants. We've done all our cleansing now. Let's try and get a bit closer. Oh, this is nearly a bit here. It's just a smooth path. So incredibly frustrating when you've got mobility issues, but just to let you know, I'm going to be going back on Joe Dispenza, the placebo, and I did it for a year, but I'll give it another go. Can't be doing this all the time. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just so super sexy. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so enjoy. I'm going to literally, I just need silence for this one, so I'm going to do silence for you just to end the video, and then I'm going to do a silent one to put separately on the video itself. Oh. This is just for complete relaxation. That's the energy I feel from here. This is the energy of breathe. Just breathe, relax, calm your mind. I always visualise in times like this, just holding Azrael, sorry, holding Ariel's hand. That's what I visualise. Holding a hand in complete peace and harmony with nature. I'll just leave you be for a little while, my darling. bless you all. Really hope you've enjoyed a fantastic day with Ariel.